Alright, welcome to these part 2 of the dirty PlayStation 4 fan. As you can see, it looks like a rat got caught up in there and possibly didn't make it out. And then we have like the rat's little tail here, as you can see, just hanging out, making my PlayStation all hot. Can't watch movies or watch YouTube videos on my big screen because this thing is like dirty. So you can see once, this is part 2. Once you get all that stuff off, as you can see, that just dust, just caked on, clumped around. Even this is the power supply. As you can see, it's like super, like even down in there is like dust and everything. As you can see, it's just like makes it hot. It's hard to run. It collects on all the, as you can see it in there, just looks like dust is sprayed on. It collects on all the components and makes it run hot, and like the fan has to go extra hard. You know what I mean? So as you can see here, just going to flip over the power supply. Be careful when you're doing this. Or also look at this little prongs right here. Those little prongs, when you're lifting this power supply up to get to the fan part, lift it straight up and then like this, because you don't want to bend these prongs because they go down in that little prong receptacle there. So we're going to very carefully turn and look in here. As you can see, just dust caked all up in there. And I guess we're going to have to take care of that. This is like the one area where you have to really clean out the most so that your PlayStation will not be super loud and sound like it's about to take off and go down the street, because that's what mine sounds like, and can't really even hear the movie. It's actually pretty weird. So like I said, once you get these back hex 9 screws out, and then you get the screws for this out, which I mean, this isn't really like a how-to video. I'm just going to show you my fan, but once you do all that, like in the part 1, I think I showed some of that. And if not, let me know. I'll do an actual whole tutorial video, because this is just me going through. I'm going to possibly go through some more of this and clean out some of the stuff so that, when I'm watching like YouTube or Hulu or just having music playing in the background, this thing isn't going to take off down the street and fly and, do its own things. That's how loud it is, and it makes the room hot. So let me know what you all think. Got some technical skills. I'm pretty good. Got the air purifier running here because it's just clouds of dust. Got all the tools just to, wipe it off, and got some safety stuff here for the hard drive and everything. But yeah, I mean, you got to take care of it. Otherwise it'll break, and then, you have to go buy another one. Or you could spend like $10, get the tool, and watch a little tutorial or everything. So let me know what you all think. Thanks for checking it out. Adventure Sky to the Galaxy, tech skills,